Hi, HCA family. We're so happy that any and all of you could make it today for our Monday Motivation Live. Kevin is sending out the notifications to let everybody know that we're here and that we're ready to start this week off strong. So Kevin and I had a really great weekend. We sent flowers to all of our technicians and a $100 DoorDash for them to be able to order out whatever meal they want, so they didn't have to cook. And they made some really incredible posts and statements to us, even privately, and it was just really encouraging. So National Professional House Cleaners Day was really a success in our hearts. And moving forward into the near future, this day was made to remind us about how important our work is and to build that momentum up again each year, because I know we all know that we need the reminder of what we're doing, how important it is, what we're up against with the stigmas, and keeping just our focus on drilling into that every single day.
Hey.
So, hey, Kevin, so glad you could make it.
Yeah, hope y'all are doing all right.
So, we were saying earlier that National Professional House Cleaners Day is something that we need to keep in our hearts every single day. It's something that we need to celebrate in everything that we do in our industry. Excuse me. My phone was going off. Excuse me. So getting back to it. So National Professional House Cleaners Day, having it in our hearts every single day, remembering that what we do is important, and just that celebration feeling like birthdays bring. Kevin was saying in his post to me on my birthday that he keeps in mind like my birthday every single day. He keeps it in his heart. And I've never heard anybody say that before, and it really hit me as just like, this is what we're supposed to do, is celebrate our life in whatever we're doing, our personal lives and in our business life. Celebrate the life that we're given, celebrate the work that we're given to do, and especially for us in the industry that we're all a part of here, this common ground is just growing in that and understanding more and more how important this work is, and then sharing that with our teams and our community.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, Ebony and Rachel, we see you guys in the comments, and if you're just joining us right now on this live or the replay, we want to know how your Professional House Cleaners Day was on Saturday. That was this last Saturday, September 17th, and it happens every year on September 17th. Sometimes it's during the week, sometimes it's on the weekend. But let us know, Hitchamaker, let us know in the comments what you did this Saturday, and where you're checking in from today.
Yes, definitely.
So you hear Grace and I talking about how growing a successful cleaning business is 80% psychological and 20% logistical. And we really mean that. Growing any business is 80% psychological. We have to grow and develop our mindset every single day, like going to the gym consistently. If we go to the gym one time, once a month or once a year, we're not going to physically grow any stronger. And when we physically grow stronger, it has something to do with our mindset too, right? Not just looking in the mirror and seeing that we're, that we're growing physically, but just in our mindset, we feel stronger, then mentally we're stronger. And so keeping National Professional House Cleaners Day, like Grace just said, in our hearts every single day, what that is going to do is going to increase our certainty and our beliefs every single day when we wake up. And so when we're driving to work every day, when you're heading to the office, remind yourself, today's National Professional House Cleaners Day. And what does that mean? That means that the public, the world is coming to finally an understanding that the service that we provide is not a luxury service. It's not a service that, every homeowner is capable of doing. We have the education, we have the training, we have the knowledge of how important and how big of an impact that we make on the clients that we serve with increasing their room air quality and providing a healthy home and business for them to live. We're not only helping them live a longer and happier life, but we're doing something that significantly impacts their emotional and their mental well-being as well, which is a huge, awesome and important service that we do every day. And when we just keep that top of mind about what we're actually doing for the clients that we serve, we're going to continue to have that certainty about how necessary and needed we are, so that we can tap a higher potential in action and continue to grow awesome professional cleaning services around the country.
Yeah, and one of the things that I was reminding our team today about is that we're not just making an impact once a year. We're not just making an impact when we get together and you guys are here on these lives and you come into the community. We're not just making an impact on each other. We're making an impact every single time we are leading our teams to do better. We are making an impact every single job that we go on to, every stroke of every cleaning medium you have in your kit, every single time you put your heart into the cleanings that you're doing. You are making that impact in your local area, and that impact is not a small one. It might seem small in the moment, but when we're really putting our heart into what we're doing, each one of us are contributing in those moments to transforming this industry. And the better our teams understand, it's that cycle of success. The better that we understand, the better that our teams understand how important this work is, the greater potential we tap into, and then the greater massive action we take, and then the better results we have. And then it circles back to that belief that we have in what we're doing and how important it is. And we're more capable of serving our clients even better each time, whether it's through, managing our teams better, knowing how to motivate them better, doing the job more fluidly. If you haven't taken the PCP course, the Professional Cleaning Provider course, you need to take it. I know there's AHCA members that still haven't taken it. We are not just repeating ourselves to get on your nerves or to sell something. We are repeating ourselves because we know that you are going to capitalize off of this course. You are going to capitalize off the knowledge that it gives you. You're going to capitalize off of the skills it's going to teach you. You're going to capitalize off of the verbiage that it gives you, the confidence that it gives you. It's a full circle course that's going to help you make money. It's going to help you be more confident. It's going to help you do the job better. It's going to help you be able to speak to your clients in a way that they're going to be able to understand and respect you for. And they're going to be happy to pay that $60 an hour. They're going to be happy to pay that $80 an hour, the right ones. You're going to be able to take those no's more quickly and find the better yeses that are going to come your way because you have confidence in what you're doing. So if you haven't taken the Professional House Cleaners course, just know you're holding yourself back financially, mentally, emotionally, and all ways. And so take it as soon as you can. Put it on your calendar, carve out the time to focus in and get it done.
Guys, I love September 17th and the weeks coming up to it, because every single year, this is our 4th year now. And the reason I love it so much is because a couple weeks up to the date and on the date, we can feel the shift in your belief and your certainty. We can see the shift in your focus and the important trade that you do. And we know that you're here because you want to make a tremendous impact in your community and you want to serve. And just let's keep that certainty and that focus and that drive and that belief that we have on September 17th every year. And let's make September 17th
an everyday thing
in our business. And when we do that, and when we go all in, as long as we're persistent, there's no way possible that with persistence and with that belief in our trade, in our community, that we aren't going to be successful with the mission of the HCA and with your business growth. So with that, we hope that you have a great Monday and a great rest of the week. And we look forward to seeing you around the community this week.
Yes, y'all have a great week and get out there and profit, capitalize on everything you know, and win this week. Take care, guys.